Fun Icon Pack is an Android application designed to enhance the visual aesthetics of a smartphone's user interface by providing a wide variety of colorful and playful icons. This app allows users to customize their device by replacing default app icons with unique, artistic designs, giving a fresh and vibrant look to their home screens. The Fun Icon Pack typically includes thousands of icon designs that cater to different themes and styles, allowing users to express their personality through their device's appearance. In addition to individual app icons, the pack may also offer matching wallpapers and other design elements to create a cohesive look. Compatible with various Android launchers, it provides an easy installation process for users seeking to personalize their devices. The playful and whimsical nature of the icons can uplift the overall user experience, making navigation fun and visually appealing, while regularly updated content ensures users can keep their customization fresh and exciting.